We're assembling all these pumps and we're having a paint problem. Let's go figure it out.
If you can get that to work, I'll be impressed.
Okay, try it. No. What happened with the cans? Why don't they work?
So these cans are pretty old and we're sitting on our supplier's shelf for quite some time. So it appears that when you go halfway through the can, it loses its pressure and no longer coming out.
I've tried all of them.
These used to be black shoes.
Oh, no.
And I'm not spraying like this onto it. I've already painted over 60 units.
If it makes you feel better, I also ruined my shoes this week. Trent moved a screw or something in one of the pumps and then the cam shifted and the oil spilled out onto me.
Worse if you spilled Skydrow on it.
What are you doing today?
I am boxing up.
Are we down all the 75?
No, we're about halfway through. Every one of them are assembled.
Okay.
We just have to test.
Richard? What are you doing, arts and crafts?
Yeah. You want to do some?
Yeah, I'd love to do arts and crafts. What are you actually doing? These are...
I'm putting new seals on the relief valve
Okay.
for the power unit on the other side.
This might be it, but it also might not be it, because I thought there was a smaller one somewhere.
That's another one over there.
No, this one here?
Yeah.
That's a test bench. I'm not positive, but just due to the reservoir at the top, I'm assuming so.
This is a power unit. Well, that's electric motor.
Electric motor.
It's going to run the 3 pumps.
3 pumps. Dennison ones, they're blue.
Yes, that's right. So you're learning.
I am learning manifolds.
Manifolds are
Accumulators.
here. Accumulators.
2 of them.
You got shut-off valves.
Okay.
You got a whole, if you want to come back here,
Yeah,
there's
let's
a
do
whole
it. Oh, wow.
manifold block here as well.
What is this
with
do?
all your valves. So each section actually controls a different function on the injection press.
Okay.
So when we don't have the injection press here, the customer has it.
Okay.
But the hydraulic hoses, just like they are here, we have them here on an actuator for testing purposes. One will be in a return, and it'll go over to the injection press. They all have different functions.
So what are the last steps you have to do? You're putting the seals
Right now
in?
I redid the relief valve seals.
Yes,
I'm putting them back in, and I have a couple of core valves coming that have been ordered. They go up in the manifold here because they were leaking when we tested it.
What's going on?
What's going on with you?
Just making a new bathroom.
Making a new bathroom?
Yeah. Put the toilet in. I put the toilet in. I replumbed the sink. And now I got to paint. I'm going to put new tiles up. And I'm going to put a shelf up for supplies. And
What's wrong with that bathroom? We just have more people now?
we have more people.
More men using the bathrooms. I got no comment.
What color do you want?
Adele wants pink.
Okay.
I want white.
You want white?
Neutral.
Okay, neutral.
Hey, what are you doing today?
Right now, just finished testing this motor. It passed, everything's good.
Let's go bother Lloyd. Right? What are you gonna do this weekend?
Hockey.
I figured as much. How many games do you play?
2.
What position do you play?
Wherever they want. I don't care.
I was center. A lot of skating.
I know that's usually where the one team always puts me at center, and the other one puts me whoever doesn't show up.
Nice. You're gonna get a goal?
Usually.
I'll come ask you on Monday if you did. Think we can get into this? It's been here for a little bit now. You're actually gonna go try to open it?
Yeah. No.
You think?
It's got to be locked.
It's locked. Oh no, it's not locked.
Oh. Wow.
It's a Dennison one. Fun.
Be a good hiding spot.
Wait, how do you seek? We played hide and go seek back here.
Okay.
Where would you hide?
It's a trick question. Don't answer it.
It's not a trick question. I want to know where I would hide in the Hagglund's machine out there. You would hide in the tank? Is it empty?
Yeah.
Could you get there?
Yeah, probably.
I would hide up there behind the hot water heater.
I don't even know where that is, so it's a good spot.
Back corner behind the hot seat. So there's a metal plate there.
Okay.
lift it up, tuck in there, never find it.
That's a good one, actually.
Maybe up like in like the breaker room up on top of the lunchroom.
On top of it, like way up there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good spot.
You can like go, there's like a set of stairs and then there's like another door that goes into another room back there.
I know the whole layout of this place now. Richard, I know you haven't been here as long as everybody else, but if we were to play hide and go seek in the shop, where would you hide? So we've done a couple of these vlogs now. What do you guys want to see more of? Let us know.